In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn your Shopify store into an app. Today, the goal is to make your Shopify store feel more like a standalone app that is easier to access from your device. This method uses a built-in feature in the Chrome browser, so you do not need to install complicated software or learn new tools. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and make sure you are already viewing your Shopify store page. Take a moment to confirm the site is loading correctly, because you want to create the app shortcut from the correct website. You should see the content you expect in the browser before you move forward. Next, look at the Chrome window and find the three dots in the top right corner. These three dots are the main menu for Chrome. Click them once. After you click, a small menu will open, and that menu is where you will find the option to save or install the page as an app. Now that the menu is open, you will see a section that relates to casting, saving, sharing, or similar browser utilities. Hover over Cast, Save, Share. The reason for hovering is that this option usually expands into more choices, and Chrome groups related actions together under that header. When you hover, wait until the submenu appears fully, so you do not miss the exact setting you need. Once the submenu appears, look for the option that says Install Page as App. This is the key action. Select it carefully, because the wording matters, and it should be specifically about installing the current page as an app. Choosing this tells Chrome that it should create an app-style shortcut based on your Shopify store, rather than just a regular bookmark. After you click Install Page as App, Chrome may show a confirmation prompt. If you see a prompt, confirm the installation when you are asked. Pay attention to any details in that prompt, such as the app name or the site it will use. You are basically telling Chrome, yes, create an app shortcut for this page. Now allow the installation to complete. Depending on your device and settings, it may take a few seconds. During this time, Chrome is preparing the app window behavior, including how it will open and how it will appear on your desktop or your application list. It is normal for the screen to look slightly unchanged while the browser finalizes the setup. When installation finishes, you should notice that your Shopify store can be opened in an app-like way. Instead of opening through the browser every time, you will be able to launch it from the app shortcut that Chrome creates. This gives you a cleaner experience and makes it easier for visitors or for your own daily use to access your store quickly. Finally, test it once by launching the installed app or app shortcut. Make sure the correct Shopify store page opens and that everything loads as expected. If everything looks right, you are done, and your store now behaves like a dedicated app on your system. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.